Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial we're going to talk about anatomy and physiology of frog. So what we're going to look into today is the introduction or the introductory aspect of frog. So as you can see right here, classification, classification, phylum, phylum vertebrate. So frog belongs to phylum vertebrate, class amphibians, order Anura, type Rana tingrina. So as you can see right here, so if you want to copy this, you can pause this and you can freeze frame anytime and write this down, guys. Thank you very much. So now I will explain right here from my textbook right here. Introduction. Frog comes from the class amphibians. As you can see right here, frog comes from the class amphibians. Aphid means two and bio means media. I hope you understand that concept, guys. So amphibians means two things. Number one, amphi means two. I hope you understand that, guys. So amphi means two, while beer means, so guys, why beer means media. That is, it can live in two media, on land and inside the water. That is, the frog have a terrestrial characteristics and an aquatic characteristic as well. As you also know, a frog also possesses lungs as well as gills. In their tadpole stage, frog have complete metamorphosis and their fertilization of egg is external. So guys, let's keep going. So okay, let's say that is, it can live on land and water. I hope you understand that concept, guys. Very good. So guys, let's look at how the amphibians, how are they able to tolerate various seasons. I hope you understand that concept, guys. Very good. So I will write seasons right here. Season. So during the winter season, the frog bury itself in damp place and becomes sluggish. I hope you understand that concept, guys. It lives there for the complete winter season. Winter is going to be very, very cold. So the frog bury itself in a damp place and becomes sluggish. So I'll write it down actually. I just want to explain it first before writing it down. This is called the winter sleep or hibernation. I hope you are aware of hibernation. So if you don't know the meaning of hibernation, I just explain hibernation or winter sleep right now. So in this period, respiration takes place through the skin, cortical respiration. In the frog, there are three modes of respiration in frog. Respiration through the skin, cortical respiration, respiration through the buccopharyngeal respiration, and respiration through the lungs, pulmonary respiration. So I hope you understand that, guys. Very good. So I will move on now to the vital activities become low and they reserve food materials used, as the frog does not eat during hibernation. I hope you understand that concept, guys. Every frog during hibernation, during winter season, they do not eat and they become very sluggish. If you have observed this, now this is the basic concept of what is really happening at that period to all the frogs all over the world. So now I will write what I just explained now. I will write them down. Please keep following and you also write it as well. Okay, during winter season, the frog buries buries itself in damp place. I hope you can see this, guys. Buries itself in a damp place and become okay, there should be an arrow pointing at this, and become sluggish. Full stop. It lives there for the complete winter season. I hope you understand that concept. Keep following. I hope you can see this, guys. Very good. Winter season. Full stop. So this is called the winter sleep or hibernation. The winter sleep or hibernation. I hope you understand that concept, guys. So please, if you want to write this down, kindly pause the video or freeze frame in order for you to be able to write this down easily. So I will proceed now. So after they become sluggish, actually they do not no feeding does not occur in during this process. Feeding is not observed during this period. During this period of hibernation. Very good. So I hope you are following up. Very good. So similarly, during summer season. So now during summer season, okay, I will explain first before writing it. That's how we do it, guys. If you want to understand my tutorials very well, then the first thing I will do is I will explain the concept of what I'm about to write down. Then I will explain. So I want you guys to get used to how I explain things in my tutorials for you to understand me easily in all my upcoming tutorials. So the frog buries itself in soft mud to avoid unfavorable conditions. As well as we know, during the summer it gets extremely hot worldwide, and it gets really intense in some particular countries, like very close, for example, let's say in deserts, it gets above 50 degree over there and it gets really hot. So any frog that is there won't survive at that period of time. They will all wipe out, they will all die. I hope you understand. Very good. So let's keep going, guys. During early summer, it feeds vigorously, as in like it eats every time just to store those foods, to prepare itself against adverse conditions. In midsummer, where there is no water, I hope you understand that concept. It buries itself and does not come out until the return of favorable conditions. This sleep during midsummer is called summer sleep or activation. Activation. I hope you understand that concept, guys. Very good. Now I will start writing. The frog buries itself in soft mud to avoid unfavorable conditions. During early summer, sorry about that, guys. During early summer, early, during early summer, it feeds vigorously. It feeds vigorously or voraciously to prepare itself against adverse conditions. In midsummer, where there is no water, I hope you're able to see this, guys. Just try and keep following up. Where there is no water, it buries itself. Sorry, it buries itself and does not come out until the return of favorable conditions. The sleep during midsummer is called. I hope you guys can see this. Very good. So, the sleep during midsummer is called summer sleep. It's called summer sleep or estivation. Estivation, sorry. The A is a little bit. Estivation Remember, in summer it is activation, and in winter it is hibernation. I hope you understand that concept, guys. Very good. Please note that down. So now we are going to look into the external structure of a frog. I hope you can see this very well, guys. Okay, good. Very good. External structure. Okay. The frog has no neck. The skin is kept always moist. Okay. So the frog have no neck. Number one, neck is absent. I hope you understand that, guys. Neck is absent in all frogs worldwide. Worldwide. Okay. So the skin is always kept moist, which helps in cutaneous respiration. Cutaneous respiration is the respiration that occurs through the skin, whether they are during summer, because they are able to respirate. As the same thing also occurs in winter, because basically when it buries itself, they get to respirate only on one mode, which is their skin, which is called cutaneous respiration. So now I will write the second term you need to take note of. The skin is kept moist. You know what it means by moist? It kept always moist. That is, it is always wet. Always wet with mucous glands. In cutaneous respiration. I hope you can see this. Okay, good. You can see this. Okay. I want you to see it very well. In cutaneous respiration. Cutaneous. Continuation is here. Respiration. So now going to the next term. The body is divided into head and trunk. I hope you understand that concept, guys. The body of a frog is divided into heads and trunk. So, the head consists of anteriorly of a large transverse mouth, which leads into the buccal cavity, the mouth, inside the buccal cavity, you understand. Two round bulged eyes. Okay, I will write that down. Just hold on, guys. Are stimulated laterally on the head, covered by nuctating membrane. Nuctating membrane enables the frog to see very well under the water. So that is, nuctating membrane assists the frog whenever it's under the water to seal properly without any disturbance. I hope you understand that concept, guys. Very, very good. So let's keep going. Okay. Below the eyes, two oval, flat patches are present called the tympanomic membrane or tympanum, which opens anteriorly into the mid-ear. So now parts of frog: external nares, eye, tympanum, trunk, forelegs and hind legs. External characteristic of frog. So now I'll just write parts of frog. I'll list it. Then I want you to stay tuned for the next tutorial. I'll make the next tutorial tomorrow. I'm stopping here right now. So I will summarize everything I've explained so far, and I hope you did not miss any part of this tutorial. Kindly hit the subscribe button, kindly like this video, comment in the comment section below once you love this tutorial and you are able to use it and you're able to understand what I explained. So, parts of frog: external nail, I hope you can see this. Okay, very good, you can see it. Eyes, tympanum, trunk. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Trunk, foreleg, in the leg. So, guys, further explanation will be done in the next tutorial. Kindly turn on the notification bell, guys. I love you all and see you in the next tutorial. So before going to the next tutorial, I want to summarize all what I've explained so far. As we see here, the main topic for today is excuse me, anatomy and physiology of frog, right? Yeah, good. So classification: phylum vertebrates, class amphibians, order Anura, type Rena Trigna, and we explained the term amphibian, which you have heard about in the first part of this video. And we look into hibernation, which is the sleep that occurs during winter, and we look into aestivation, the sleep that occurs during summer, and we look into the external structure of a frog. So thank you very much for watching. Kindly stay tuned for my next tutorial and stay safe. Bye.